Okay, so the storage area, which has this kind of groovy chopping thing. I mean, really? I guess people use it, you know, the same way they use this thing that flips out, that you can, you know, a flip out unit. I'm under the impression that this is kind of, I mean, I don't know if people use this a lot. I don't know if I'll use this a lot. I know that it's a lot of work to remake one of these, or it could be a lot of work to remake one of these. I'm kind of not sold on it, to be honest. But it is kind of cool the way it was designed. This was a train wreck. I don't know what they decided was going on here. To my mind, this looks homemade. This is aftermarket. It has to be. If it was me, I think my laundry hamper would be down in that wardrobe. I think my trash can would be here. I mean, people usually say, well, under the sink is where you put your trash. Yeah, but I don't know, man. Maybe there. Because here, there was a, and there's still going to be, rather, a shelf. Or maybe not, you know. So realistically, you know, we're looking at food storage and that kind of thing. There's not a lot of it. And if that's really all you got, these drawers and that, and, you know, you figure under here, you've got your, you know, your kitchen stuff, your cleaning and all that. Then really all you got is to store food is here and up here, you know. So that's a concern. So I think what I'll do here is this countertop, okay, will be made out of the same material as this. And it'll be probably one of the last things that I do, because I'll just leave vacant space for the, you know, for the tops. The way I'm counting them right now is I've got the kitchen, the bathroom, excuse me, I keep doing that. It's the bathroom, right? So that has to be made. And that'll be made basically to what that is. I don't think I'm going to reinvent that wheel. That I will go with a stainless steel sink. I think it's a bit more, you know, matching, whatever, right? Over here, countertop number 2. Maybe the countertop back there, you know, that in between the beds, maybe, I don't know. But this is number 3 right here. And then number 4 is the table that will be sitting here. Yeah, I have a feeling that that's the way to do it. I don't really want to have a table here like a lot of RVs. Everybody's sitting around a table. I don't really see this as being a party coach. And if it is a party coach, they don't mind not having a freaking table here, right? I mean, I might just put a thing for drinks, you know, or whatever. It doesn't matter. The way I'm looking at it is I'm looking at a white leather with blue piping to match the exterior. All right, so that's where the design is going. I'd love you guys to throw comments in and see what you guys think about my ideas. Of course, I can paint these and make them look really sweet and nice and save a lot of money. But when it comes down to it, if I use these frames, I'm going to have to replace that material that these frames are using because it's just done, right? If I go to that extent where it's nice acrylic plastic and everything, and then I go to this and it's painted, it's just such a you know, I don't, you know what I mean? I don't see the corner cutting to work that well for that. But I think generally speaking, that's it. Go to the next video and I will discuss the LED lighting element, which is going to be down the roof of the cabin.